Yo guys, what is up? It is Ryan Sneaks back with another sneaker video. Today I got a brand new pair of shoes in from StockX, which I shouldn't have bought because I ended up getting these off of restock 3 days after I purchased these for retail, which I paid $100 over retail for these. Well, about $100 over retail for them, which was a mistake. But here it is, size 11.5, Nike Flyknit trainer. This here is the Oreo colorway, which I was super excited personally for. I have the white one that released earlier in the year that I was able to cop off blends on a restock. So I should have even just thought of that. I've been like, you know, they're gonna restock sooner or later, just wait. But nope, not me. I was stupid. I went ahead and purchased them anyway for, I want to say $230. But here they are, Nike Flyknit trainer, Oreo. Some people call them Yay Knits, some people call the white ones Yay Knits, I don't know. But these things are ridiculously nice. I remember, I think I want to say it was like 2012 when I went to San Francisco and they had Flyknit trainers, Flyknit lunar chukkas, and Flyknit racers were like the biggest thing in the world at that point. I really wanted a pair because I remember Kanye wore these. And I also wanted a pair of the red lunar chukkas. Those are like, that's exactly what I wanted. Then these things rose to about $500 and I said, what the hell, I'm not doing that. And then just like Boost took over and they kind of dropped in price, and then these got retroed, so I was like, you know, it might as well. $230 compared to $500 from what it was years ago. Great deal, right? Well, now they already dropped to about retail on StockX and I picked up a pair off of restock, so there you go. If you're looking to pick up a pair, just don't pay a lot on resale. It's really not even there anymore. You can pretty much pick them up for retail off StockX, which is pretty good. It comes with extra laces, which are just white ones. I believe the same thing happened with my purple ones and my white ones. They come with just like a different accent color, which is pretty dope in case you want to change that out. But I'm going to go ahead and leave black in. But like I said, I'm not keeping these. I'm going to sell these back on StockX to whatever the bid is for them right now. I don't even know. And keep the one from Dover Street just because I was able to pick that one up for retail, so I'll keep that one. But here you get like a mostly white upper up in the toe. Then it goes to like a straight black, and then a big white Nike swoosh. And you get your toe pattern right there. It's kind of like a white and black mix. White midsole, a little bit of a black upper lining to it, and then you just Flyknit trainer outsole. Pretty simple shoes, to be quite honest with you guys, and I really wanted this one because I'll be going to San Francisco in June. And I wanted a pair of shoes that I could take with me and just wear like every day, like maybe take 1 or 2 pairs of shoes and that's it. I'm kind of stupid when I go on vacations and plan like outfits and shoes and take like 5 pairs of shoes, which is ridiculous. So I really just want to take like 1 to 2 max, so that'll be that. I feel like I'll probably take these and like a pair of Air Maxes or something like that and just be cool with that. I don't really want to overdo it. But yeah, man, these things are super nice. It's a classic. Resale, like I said, resale with Nike stuff, honestly, it's high the first couple weeks and then it drops down a little bit. So I'm thinking maybe in a week or 2 you'll be able to pick these up for about just pretty much retail on StockX. They're like at $170, $180 right now, which is pretty good. About $30 over retail, so that's still a good price. But if you wait it out, I think you can get them cheaper still. Just don't be like me and pay two something for them. That was dumb. So yeah, these things are super nice. Let me know if you guys are able to pick up a pair off Nike. I thought it was going to be an easy cop, and it wasn't at all. It was like super hard. The same with the Gundam 98s. My god, I wanted those so bad. Missed out and did kind of the same stupid thing that I did here, but that's for a whole different video. But yeah, the Nike stuff, it's flying now, and I mean, it kind of sucks because I kind of stuck with Nike through all the Adidas stuff. And now everyone's kind of going back to Nike, and it's just making everything harder. But it is what it is. Nike, I guess it's coming a little bit back up because a lot of resellers are going after it. But super happy that I'm able to get a pair. I was able to secure a pair, 2 I guess. But just overall, just very happy that I was able to pick these up again. But yeah, that's going to be it for this one. Let me know down in the comments if you were able to pick yourself up a pair, or if you pass on these and why. I really want to know. Because I think this shoe is like the perfect shoe. This is my opinion, of course, but it's low profile, lightweight, comfy. I don't think you can get any better than that. Hey, but that is it. Thank you guys again for watching. Don't forget to hit that like, comment, and subscribe button. I'll catch you guys next time.